This paper will elaborate on the steel T from the aspects of material, manufacturing process, application field, advantages and precautions to help readers better understand and choose the steel T that suits their needs. This paper will elaborate on the steel T from the aspects of material, manufacturing process, application field, advantages and precautions to help readers better understand and choose the steel T that suits their needs. E. Diverse materials and strong adaptability. Steel T is generally made of high-quality carbon steel, alloy steel, stainless steel and other materials. These materials have good pressure resistance, corrosion resistance and heat resistance and can adapt to a variety of complex working environments and media. The material selection of steel T should be determined according to the specific use scenario and working conditions to ensure its stability and reliability during use. In addition, the material of the steel T can also be customized according to customer needs, so that it can better adapt to special engineering requirements. R. Fine manufacturing, reliable quality. Steel T manufacturing process using advanced technology and equipment after a number of processes of fine processing. In the manufacturing process, we operate in strict accordance with relevant international standards and technical specifications to ensure reliable product quality and beautiful appearance. The manufacturing process of steel T includes forging, casting, welding and other ways, which has high process flexibility and can meet the needs of different specifications and special requirements. 3. A wide range of applications. Steel T is widely used in the pipeline system of petroleum, chemical, natural gas, shipbuilding, electric power, food, pharmaceutical and other industries. Its main uses include diversion, confluence, flow control, etc., which can effectively connect and distribute media such as liquid, gas and solid particles in the pipeline system. The steel T has the characteristics of simple structure, convenient operation and quick installation, which can greatly improve the efficiency and flexibility of the pipeline system. 4. Outstanding advantages worth choosing. Steel T has the following advantages. E. Excellent pressure resistance, able to withstand high pressure. R. Strong corrosion resistance and can be used stably in corrosive media for a long time. 3. Good high temperature resistance, can maintain stability and reliability in high temperature environment. 5. Precautions. In the selection and use of steel T, the following points should be noted. E. Select the appropriate material and specifications according to the actual needs. R. Strictly follow the instructions to avoid overload. 3. Regular inspection and maintenance to ensure the normal operation and safe use of the product. 4. If you have special needs or problems, consult professionals in time. Steel T is a kind of pipe connection with excellent performance and a wide range of applications. Through the selection of suitable materials and specifications, strict operation and maintenance, it can ensure its stable operation and reliability in the pipeline system. Choose steel T, choose efficient, safe and reliable pipe connection. This article consists of 3 industrial https://3w.sanshifitting.com exclusive arrangement.